Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's JavaScript lesson, we are going to learn something very important called event delegation. Now, this is a technique used by professional developers to handle events or multiple elements using only one event listener. Instead of adding an event listener to every button, every item or every element, we can attach one event listener to the parent element and control everything from there. This makes our code faster, cleaner, easier to manage. So in this video, we will learn what event delegation is, why developers use it, how it works, and multiple real examples. Let's jump into the code. Example 1, the problem without event delegation. Let's create a list item and another list. Okay, so we have an another list with the ID of list, and we have 3 list items here. The first list item has apple, the second list item has a banana, and the third list item has orange. Okay, so we are going to head to our JavaScript. So we do let items equals document dot query selector or li. So here we are selecting all the list items. This returns all li elements, but it gives us a node list, so we loop through them using the for each, right? So we have what items dot for each. So now we are looping through all of them using what the for each. So inside the loop, we add an event listener to every of the li element. Okay, so we just do what items dot add event listener, and the event listener we're adding is what click, and we create the function here. Okay, so we create the function and we console.log it. So we are just going to console.log what item dot inner html. So if we click any list item, we log its text. Okay, so this is just what is happening here. All right, so let's go to let's run this code. We're adding a semicolon, and now we are going to try to run the code. So we are going to run this code and check our console. So this is it. We zoom, right? We click, we right click here, and now go to the console, right? So you can see everything here. Okay, let's refresh. So we'll click on each of them. We click on banana, we click on apple, we click on orange. You can see as we are clicking on them, it is all working. If we add new items dynamically, the event won't work, right? Because the event listeners were only added to the original element. So that's where event delegation comes. Instead of adding event to each item, we add one event to the parent. Okay, so here we have the lists already. Okay, so we do a document.getElement by id list, right? So the lists, we're going to add an event listener to it. Okay, so already we know that first line that says let list equal document.getElement by id, we just first selected what the parent element, then we add what, and we add one event listener, which is what list.add event listener click. So inside the function, we get something very important, which is called what the event. So the event object contains information about the click. Okay, then one powerful property is what the event.target. This tells us which element was clicked. So if we click banana, the target is banana. Okay, then we print the text was console.log event.target.inner html. So we click on orange, you can see it telling us orange. We click on banana, and we clicked on apple. Okay, so all with only one event listener. This is called what event delegation. All right, so let's go with another example. We are going to try to add new elements dynamically. Okay, that's just what we're going to do. Add new event dynamically. So we're going to add a button here. So this button is what is going to be adding the new elements for us. So we have add items. All right, so we're just going to write item 1, and the second part we're just going to write item 2. Okay, so we are going to just delete this third list item. And yes, let's go to our JS. So here in our JS, we are going to select this part. So we already have the let list document again by ID. So we are going to select the button. Okay, so let button equals document.get element by ID, and the ID is going to be what? Add. All right, so we are going to go to our HTML and add the ID real quick. So we do that, we add the ID here. Okay, so we've added it. So already you can see. So we are now going to add our event listener. Okay, so we do the event listener. So list.add event listener, click. So we added we added an event delegation to the list. Okay, then we check something really important. So after putting our function and passing in the parameter of e to it, we're going to check. All right, we're going to check if the event, that's the parameter .target .tag name is equal to li. Okay, so this just ensures we only respond when li elements are clicked, because the click event also bubbles up from other elements. Okay, so this one just ensures it for us. Then we create new item dynamically. Okay, we create new elements dynamically. So how do we create the new element dynamically? We are just going to do use this DOM that we've learned already, the document.createElement, right? That's what we are going to use. So we have button.add event listener, click, and we pass in our function. All right, so so here we are going to create a new item, which is let new item be equal to document document.create element. Create. Okay, element. Sorry for the delay. And we write the element we are trying to create, which is the li. So that's what is going on here, and we're just going to set the text. Okay, so we have inner exchange equal to new text, so we just set the text that it should show, right? And then we append the child. Okay, so then add it to the list, which is the append child method. So this is how it's going to work. When we get to our result, we click on the add item, the new list item will appear. After clicking the event, it still works even though we never added event listener to the new item. That is the power of event delegation. So we click on it, you can see we've been clicking on it, it's been coming. While refreshing the page, we click on it again and you can see it's coming. So why developers use event delegation is because it improves performance, it uses fewer event listeners, it works with dynamic content, and it helps in clean code. Alright, so alright guys, that's event delegation in JavaScript. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. In the next lesson, we are going to build something interesting using advanced object and method to create a playlist system. See you in the next video.